Okay, alright, well, obviously I got myself a new toy, so I'll open it up. You can tell it's a big Fender thingy. So, open other end, this end up. See what it is on the other side. Open this end. I guess we have read instructions. Okay, that's what I get. So this goes. Okay, here we are. Oh, but it even comes with the bag. That's great. But it saved me a lot of trouble. Now, there's a packaging. You know, all things. Oh, it's at the bottom. See if I can turn it upside down again. Yeah, that's what I get. Yeah, this is a Fender Deluxe Reverb Tone Master series digital amp. And at the back, we've got the instructions and the foot switch on the left. So yeah, new toy. I'll see what's it like. Plug it in. Okay, camera. Okay, so there's the back of it, and we got a cable like this, which is probably same with your kettle or computer. Just plug it in here. Okay, and it's firm. This is long cable, just like my Blues Junior. Over here is another long cable, which is great. Okay, let's see how to turn it on. I've got the on switch is at the back somewhere. Power. Okay, yep, it's ready, so it's ready to go. Now the volume is set to 1. I set it a little bit more. Oh, the attenuator at the back. It's now set to 22. I'll drop down to 1 watt. I think should be sufficient. Okay, let's dial in. I set the treble to maybe 5, bass to 5, reverb I just give it 3, keep it low, I set this to low. So speed, I think, is how fast the reverb goes. Intensity is how strong the reverb is, I think, from what I've seen in other videos. Alright, let's try it out. Is it on mute? That's the one that's on mute. Okay, let's try again. Volume is 2. I think I doubled it to 3. It's a nice clean sound. And that's it. It's a nice clean tone. Okay, cut.